Students, today we read our lesson number 3 kinds of plants कि plants हमारे किस किस प्रकार के होते हैं. When we step out our house, we see many types of plants. Some is given here. Here is given some pictures. We are seeing this plant, this plant, this plant, this plant. These are different from each others. Let's start. We read about. Here is given. Observe the following pictures. You are seeing these pictures. Observe these pictures. Discuss how they are different from each other and discuss how they are different from each other. Here we are seeing these pictures are different. How these pictures are different? It is small plant and it is big. Then it means according to their size we can find the difference these pictures. And other is we are seeing this plant grow in water and this plant grow in sandy area, it means in the desert area. And these trees grow in coastal area and these trees grow, we are seeing in our homes also rose plants. So let's we read about how trees are different from each other. Next time you step out of your house, observe the plants and trees around you carefully. It is saying next time when you step out of our house, योर हाउस, जब भी आप अपने घर से स्टेप को बाहर रखें, यू ऑब्जर्व द प्लांट्स को ऑब्जर्व करें, ट्रीज को ऑब्जर्व करें केयरफुली, ध्यान से. वी हैव ऑलरेडी स्टडीज दैट देयर आर डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ प्लांट्स. वी हैव ऑलरेडी स्टडीड अबाउट दैट देयर आर डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ प्लांट्स की डिफरेंट काइंड्स के प्लांट्स होते हैं. वी स्टडी अबाउट इन लेसन 1 प्लांट. First and second also, plants differ from one another in many ways. These plants are different, but they are different in many ways. In size के according हो सकते हैं. And lifespan, it means उनका जो जीवन काल होता है, कुछ some plants lifespan is very small and some plant lifespan very big. Second is given the place where they grow, and according to their place they are different. Some plants grow in water and some plants grow in desert area. And flowering pattern, and according to their flowers they are different from each other. Let's us learn about the different kinds of plants. Now we read about different kinds of plants. First is given plants based on size. First we study about plants are different according to their size. Based on their size, plants are classified as trees, herb and shrub. According to their size, plants are classified in 3 categories. There is trees, herbs and shrub. 3 categories are given here. First we read about trees. Trees big and tall plants are called trees. Big and tall plants, this like very big and tall लंबे plants that are called trees. इनको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Trees. The stem of a tree is thick. Thick means मोटा, as like, and it is called trunk, and that is called trunk. A big and tall plants are called trees. This is tree because it is big and tall, so it is called trees. A big tree has thick means mota trunk, it is the trunk of the plants. Thick stem, that is called trunk. It means कि the stem of a tree, the stem of the tree, it is called trunk. इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Trunk बोलते हैं. Now we read about shrub. Small plants with woody stems. छोटे छोटे plants with woody stems, जिनका जो तना होता है वो woody होता है, are called shrub. उनको क्या बोलते हैं? shrub बोलते हैं. You are seeing some pictures here, some examples. Hibiscus plants, sunflower plants and rose plants. These are shrub. Trees are neem tree, mango tree, peepal trees, that are example of trees. But these are example of shrub. Rose plant, hibiscus plants and sunflower plants. Small plants with woody stem. What are shrub? Small plants with woody stem are called shrub. Example is rose plant, hibiscus plant and sunflower plant. Now we read about herbs. Small plants with soft stem are called herb. Small plants. स्मॉल प्लांट्स में बहुत ही ज़्यादा जो छोटे पौधे हैं और विद सॉफ्ट स्टेम, और उनका जो स्टेम होता है दिस इज स्टेम और दिस इज वेरी सॉफ्ट, दे आर कॉल्ड हर्ब्स. उनको क्या बोलते हैं? हर्ब्स बोलते हैं. स्मॉल प्लांट्स विद सॉफ्ट स्टेम आर कॉल्ड हर्ब. सम एग्जांपल इज गिवन: तुलसी, कोरिएंडर एंड मिंट. There is some difference between herb and shrub. Small plant with woody stem. Small plant with woody stem are called shrub, and small plant with soft stem are called herb. Small plant with woody stem are called shrub, and small plant with soft stem are called herb. I think it's clear. Here is given other parts: creepers and climbers. What are creepers and climbers? Some plants, unlike trees, herbs and shrub, some plants जो ना तो हमारे trees हैं, ना ही herb है, ना ही shrub है, they have weak stem. Weak means बहुत ही कमजोर. stem means तना. जिनका जो तना है बहुत ही ज़्यादा वीक होता है and cannot stand extract. और वो क्या है? stand नहीं कर सकता. I don't know what is written here because it is not clear. They cannot stand, but वो क्या है? खड़े नहीं हो सकते. That are called creepers and climbers. Plants with weak stem that grow along the ground. Plants, ऐसे plants जिनका stem जो है क्या होता है? वीक होता है. that grow along the ground, जो ground में फैलते हैं. You are seeing a picture here. Here is given vine. It means कि ये एक टाइप की क्या है? बेल है जो अपने आप स्टैंड नहीं हो सकती, जिसको फैलने के लिए क्या चाहिए? जो किसके साथ फैलती है? ग्राउंड के साथ साथ. It is called creepers. I think it is clear. Some plants unlike trees, जो plants ना तो trees हैं, herbs not shrub and have a very weak stem and cannot stand, they are called creepers and climbers. Plants with weak stem that grow along the ground are called creepers. कि जो प्लांट जिनका स्टेम बिल्कुल वीक होता है तो वो ग्राउंड के साथ साथ फैलते हैं, तो उनको क्या बोलते हैं? दैट आर कॉल्ड क्रीपर्स. अनदर एग्जांपल इज गिवन: पंपकिन प्लांट. पंपकिन आपने देखा होगा. पंपकिन मीन्स पेठा. पेठे की बेल कैसे फैलती है? अलोंग द ग्राउंड, जमीन पर ही फैलती. Plants with weak stem that take the support of other plants, and some plants with weak stem, जिनका तना बहुत ही ज़्यादा वीक होता है, that take support, और जिनको सपोर्ट की नीड होती है. सपोर्ट की नीड होती है किसके लिए? ऊपर चढ़ने के लिए. क्लाइंबर मीन्स ऊपर जो चढ़ती हैं जो बेलें. सपोर्ट ऑफ अदर प्लांट्स, स्टिक्स या फिर स्टिक की नीड होती है सपोर्ट के लिए, या फिर वॉल्स की होती है टू क्लाइंब अप, ऊपर चढ़ने के लिए, आर कॉल्ड क्लाइंबर्स. इट मीन्स प्लांट्स विद वीक स्टेम्स एंड टेक द सपोर्ट्स ऑफ अदर प्लांट्स, स्टिक्स, walls to climb up are called climbers. Some plants stem is very weak, they need support. Other plants या स्टिक छिड़ी के सपोर्ट की या फिर वॉल्स के सपोर्ट की नीड होती है टू क्लाइंब अप, ऊपर चढ़ने के लिए. दैट आर कॉल्ड क्लाइंबर्स. यू आर सीइंग सम एग्जांपल हियर: ग्रेप वाइन, मनी प्लांट, दे नीड सपोर्ट एज अ स्टिक Yeah, you can say these are sticks and they need support to climb up other plants, sticks, walls.